Hi guys, this is Jazz and welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Jazz the Beast. In the previous video, I explained speech recognition with the help of Python. And now in this video, I am going to explain how to capture the image with the help of webcam using OpenCV module. First of all, we need to install two libraries for this. First is OpenCV and second is Matplot. The use of OpenCV to capture the image and the use of Matplot is to visualization. So for this I am moved to the Google and type installed you can see OpenCV. So after going to go to the first link and copy this thing, and after copy type in the command prompt and can download with the help of pip install OpenCV Python, or sometimes it's getting error, so you can type pip install contiv OpenCV Python. So in my case I can now I install, and the second library is matplot library. So for this we can also go to the Google, type install matplotlib, and then go to the first link, copy this thing, and then paste to the or command prompt. So you can see in my case OpenCV is already installed. So now I want to install matplotlib. So now type pip install matplotlib, and this the link of this thing is already given in the description box, so you can go and download. So my matplot library is also installed, so it can, so in your case if you not installed, then I can install. So after that downloading both library, now I am going to my IDE. In my case I use Jupyter Notebook. In your case whatever IDE you can like, you can go. So so before we're writing the program, first of all, what is the both library? So here OpenCV, where CV is stand for computer vision. So basically computer vision, we can say that it's work like our human visual system, like I can whatever or I can do same in a computer, webcam is also do for the computer. So basically in a computer vision we are interested to extracting information knowledge from the digital image or a video with the help of webcam. So or in a simple word we can say that a CV is used to understand and automate tasks that human visual system can do. So we already installed both the library. Now I want to write the program. So first of all, we need to import both the library OpenCV and matplotlib. So for this, now I import CV for OpenCV, CV2, enter. You can like in a Jupyter notebook, you can shift plus enter, then you can go to the next cell. So now import matplotlib, matplotlib dot pyplot h PLT. So why I can like write of CB2 or PLT, because you know that programmer is very lazy. So to writing again and again matplotlib, we can use the shortcut PLT, and same for the OpenCV. Now I'm interested to taking the capture the image with the help of webcam. So now right type, now shift plus enter, go to the next cell, then type cap space is equal to CV2 video. In a video and capture, the C and V are the capital, capture in a bracket 0. Now from the next line, if cap dot is capital O 1 in a bracket, from the next line write ret return, like we need to first hide the frame so that our face are captured by the webcam. So frame is equal to cap dot read. cap dot read. Now from the next line, print ret, print in a bracket ret, print in a bracket frame. Now or else ret false. In a false, f is a capital, it is a keyboard of the Python predefined keyboard. I am 100, you can write anything, whatever you can. cv2 dot cpt, color is capital color in a bracket frame dash cv2 dot color bgr2 bgr2 RGB. So why we are type like the we need to interested in color, because computer understand all color. Mostly we color is a blue, green, red. VGR stand for. But this is the color full. Our picture is a very complex and very, and I think it's a 24-bit. So we need to reduce our complexity. We want to convert color into gray color, because its complexity is decreased and it's become a 24-bit to 8-bit, so that we can easily recognize the person. In a future we can go to the face recognition. I already shared the video. So for this, now we can convert the color to gray color. Now from the next line, uh, float using our Python matplotlib library pit dot im show. Now our image capture is img 100. From the next line, pit dot whatever title you can want to give, then you can give title title of axis. You can also give the axis x axis, and this is the y axis. In my case I am not give, or I can show you uh, image. I now in a single bracket I want to write in a double bracket image or camera one. I can capture the image from the camera one. So camera one. Now sorry, camera one. Now plt dot so in a bracket plt dot release, because if are not released then it's like taking a picture, so we need to release the webcam. Now my program is written. Now I go to the run the program. So I think there is error cv in a cvt cvt color frame, I think yeah, so equal to, I forget, equal to, sorry. So now I go to my, so you can see my picture as already captured by the image. So yeah, you guys see, and there is like matplotlib is no attribute, so it's getting error, it's okay. What error? So you can see my picture are taken by the webcam and I taking. So what is the error? Matplotlib dot pyplot hplt read is open red front read print red. Okay, I got it. Cap dot release, cap dot release, not a pit dot release. So that it's getting error. Cap dot release. Now it's fine. Now, now you guys see my face is captured by the webcam, and now this is all about for today. And in the next video, I want to show you some other project. So if you have any doubt, then you can write in the comment box, or if you guys want some more video, then like, subscribe and share my channel for the more video. Now thank you for watching this video.